Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought to yourself, if I just had more money, life would finally feel easier? Here is the catch. Making money is not always the problem. Growing, it is. Think about it. You could stash $100 in a shoebox and 10 years later, it will still be $100. Meanwhile, inflation makes it worth less. Ouch. But what if your money did not just sit there? What if it worked for you, multiplying quietly in the background while you live your life? That is what this video is about. 5 powerful ways to grow your money fast. Now, to be clear, I am not talking about sketchy get-rich-quick schemes. I am talking about proven, smart strategies that can help you turn your hard-earned dollars into a foundation for wealth. Stick around until the end because after these tips, I will give you a sneak peek at our next video, the best credit cards for rewards. That is where your spending starts paying you back. But first, let's grow your money. Point 1. High-yield savings accounts. Step 1. Stop letting your money nap in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest. That is basically financial quicksand. Instead, put it into a high-yield savings account, HYSA. Right now, many online banks offer 4% to 5% APY. That means your $1,000 can earn $40 to $50 a year for doing nothing. Not millions, sure, but it is risk-free, FDIC insured, and the fastest way to level up your emergency fund. Think of it this way. A regular savings account is like leaving your money in a dead-end job. A high-yield savings account is like giving it a promotion. Same effort, better reward. Point 2. Invest in the stock market. Now, if you want serious growth, you cannot avoid the stock market. It is where average people build wealth. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned around 8 to 10% per year. That is way faster than any savings account. Start simple. Use low-cost index funds or ETFs. These let you own tiny pieces of hundreds of companies. Think Apple, Amazon, Google, all in one investment. Here is the emotional hook. If you invested just $200 a month starting at age 20, by the time you're 40, you could have over $120,000, and by 60, potentially $1 million. That is not magic. That is compound interest flexing its muscles. Point 3. Take advantage of employer 401k matches. Here is one of the fastest, easiest ways to grow your money. Free money. Yes, you heard that right. Many U.S. employers offer a 401k match, meaning if you contribute to your retirement plan, they will throw in extra cash. Example, you put in 5% of your paycheck, they match with another 5%. That is a 100% return instantly. No stock, bond, or crypto can guarantee that. Skipping an employer match is like refusing free pizza when you are hungry. Do not do it. Always contribute enough to grab the full match. It is the closest thing to a cheat code in personal finance. Point 4. Side hustles and reinvesting earnings. Want to speed things up? Add more fuel to the fire with a side hustle. From freelancing online to flipping items on eBay or even doing food delivery part-time, side hustles give you extra cash that you can funnel straight into investments or savings. The trick here is not just making the money, it is reinvesting it. Most people earn extra cash and spend it instantly. Instead, treat side hustle money like seeds. Plant them in investments and watch them grow into trees. That is how you turn an extra $500 into long-term financial freedom instead of another impulse Amazon haul. Point 5. Smart risk-taking. Here is where we separate the cautious from the bold. Smart risk-taking. If you only play it safe, your money grows slowly. If you gamble recklessly, you risk losing it all. The sweet spot? Calculated risks. This could mean starting a small online business, investing in real estate through REITs, or carefully dipping into growth stocks or even part of the crypto market. The key word here is smart. Never put in more than you can afford to lose. But also, do not be so scared that your money never leaves the couch. Remember, fortune favors the bold, but it also favors the prepared. So let's tie this all together. Growing your money fast does not mean overnight riches. It means using the right tools consistently. 1. High-yield savings accounts for safe growth. 2. Stock market investments for long-term wealth. 3. Employer 401k matches for free money. 4. Side hustles with reinvested earnings. 5. Smart, calculated risks. Do this, and your money stops being lazy. It starts working for you, growing while you sleep, while you binge Netflix, even while you are doing absolutely nothing. The real power here is not just the dollars. It is the freedom. Imagine the peace of mind of having money grow in the background while you live your life. That is what we are aiming for. If you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe, because we are just getting started. In the next video, we will explore the best credit cards for rewards. If you are going to spend money anyway, why not have your credit card give you cash back, travel perks, or even free flights? Thanks for watching, and remember, the secret to growing your money fast is not luck. It is strategy, discipline, and starting today.